Hey guys, this is Zari from HiFi Public. Welcome to one of our unboxing videos. Today we're unboxing iPhone XR. Here's a standard bag that all iPhones come in right out of the Apple Store. Pretty neat. Let's get the phone out. Here it is. As always, this box looks sleek, has a premium feel to it, neatly wrapped. I love it. Let's read out what's written on the back. This is 128GB, the XR also comes in 64 and 256GB. Designed in California, assembled in China, all the standard stuff. This one's black as you can see on the bubble here. Let's get to unboxing the XR. Let's see what's inside. We're not quite there yet. Here's instructions. And there it is, the iPhone XR. Looks great. Feels weighty on hand. We'll get to it in a bit. Let's see what else we have inside. Here's the wall adapter. Here's the lightning earpods, the lightning cable. It's a full glass body. Apple says it's the most durable glass body ever made. And here's a feature that makes all the difference, the camera. The XR has a single camera instead of a dual one like the 10 and 10s. The bezel is thicker than the iPhone X and XS, but to be honest, I quite like this one. Even though it is turned off, we can see that the distinct notch and the thick bezel around. And as usual, no headphone jacks. The sides are aluminium. I'll surely miss the jet black of iPhone 7. There it was, we've unboxed the iPhone XR and this was our first impression. Stay with us, we'll bring you a full review of this phone once we're done checking it out thoroughly. Like, subscribe and share it with your friends if you like this video. Stay with us.